Hello, this is Dingbo Power. Today, I'd like to introduce you to a trailer-mounted double suction split casing pump truck. It features a horizontal split casing and symmetric double suction structure. The bearings are located at both ends, ensuring good stability and smooth operation. It has a large flow rate and high efficiency. Moreover, it is safe, reliable, has a long service life, and is convenient for maintenance. The water pump impeller adopts a centrifugal doubled suction impeller with its symmetric structure. The axial forces cancel each other out, contributing to a long lifespan. The double suction split casing pump is equipped with a vacuum-assisted system. The vacuum-assisted system consists of a vacuum-assisted device, a vacuum pump, and its accessories. The compartment is made of galvanized steel plate with a thickness of not less than 2.0 millimeters. It has undergone sandblasting for rust and corrosion prevention. It can be customized with 2-wheel or 4-wheel trailers. The trailer drawbar can be adapted to tractors of various heights. It has a full range steering ability. It's convenient to move. It is applicable to flood control and disaster relief, wild rescue, construction site drainage, and sewage treatment.